Hello Year 8, going to look at very quickly how you can install a new version of GameMaker 8.1 from your team. So for example, when you go into your team, 8J or 8G, you go into Files, you will see this link for GameMaker 8.1. I want you to select that and to choose Download. A copy of that will be saved in your Downloads folder. So for example, it's downloaded here and I'm going to open it. When I click on the link, I go into my download folders. You can click on your My Computer and you go into Downloads. You're going to see it, and it's simply a matter of double clicking this, accepting the user license, going through the wizard and clicking Install. Click Next and Finish to start GameMaker. The first time when you start the application, it will begin with this: do you want to purchase it or upgrade now? We're just going to close that screen, and then you've got the home screen. Again, you can close that if you wish, or you can go File, New, and you've got a blank canvas. To the right is the tutorial, and I'm going to close that because we don't need it. So you're now able to start the Lesson 1 tutorial using GameMaker on your home computer. Any questions, post to me or your classmates on the team.